Spiedini di gamberoni con zucchini al pomodoro. Shrimp spiedini with the salsa verde of zucchini and tomato. Great summer dish, it's light. And you know what? Grilling, everybody loves grilling. But if you're into that quick kind of grilling moment, shrimps are ideal because they grill very quickly. Actually, you have to be careful not to overcook them. So here I have a medium-sized shrimp, peel the skin, devein it right here. And then I like to leave just the last link of the shell with the tail. That kind of makes it look nice and keeps the shrimp together. To dress it, just marinate it a little bit of rosemary, fresh rosemary, sliced garlic, smoked paprika, a little bit of oil. That looks good. And you let this marinate just like that. Let's begin with the salsa. And it's vegetable salsa, chunky vegetables. Here, celery, cut in little cubes with the leaves as well. Okay. Zucchini, diced in little cubes. It's always delicious, fresh. You get your vegetable. Okay. Tomatoes, you kind of peel them, take the seeds off, the juice out, and then you cube them. Here we have some capers, and I like to just chop the capers a little bit. Chop parsley, a little chopped shallots, just very finely chopped shallots. Olive oil, that's it. Fresh lemon juice. So I put the capers in there, but I still need some salt for the vegetables. So let me grab a little bit of salt. Okay. And this salsa will stay nice and green for about a half an hour because, you know, you have the acidity of the lemon. And we'll rest the salsa here for a bit, and we'll skewer the shrimps now. Here I have some bamboo skewers, which I have soaking in water. And it's easy, you know, the shrimps, you just kind of go right across the middle of it and try to grab the front and the tail. Okay, I have some that I've prepared just to expedite things. And let's put do not overcrowd them, just give them some space in between to cook. I have a little bit here. Okay, so I have a question here while the shrimp is cooking from Terry Shaw from Virginia. And she asks, other than size, I have noticed different types of shrimps have different texture. What variety of shrimp do you use for pasta? And do you use others for chilled dishes? Well, shrimps is a wide subject. First of all, let's address size. The bigger the shrimp, the more expensive they are. And usually, in our terms of restaurants and fishmongers, they use U and a number. U8 means that there's under 8 shrimps to a pound. That's a pretty good shrimp, pretty big shrimp. U30 means that there's under 30 shrimps to a pound. The smaller, the bigger the number is in the U. And it is less expensive when it is smaller. Then you have also different colors and different kinds of shrimp. Shrimps come from all oceans. And the color usually indicates what the feed, the food in the water has been. If they're usually gray or something, they have been eaten algae. If they're pink, usually crustaceous, little minute crustaceous in the water. So the color indicates also the flavor of the shrimp. But the most important thing about shrimp is not to overcook it because it gets rubbery and hard and you lose the flavor. Okay, that one is done. This one, yes. The shrimp, as it gets more done, it gets harder, like anything else, like even a steak. So, okay, this has a nice bounce. I think this one is done. That's one. I think this one is done. So you see the difference in color here between still raw shrimp, halfway done shrimp, you can see the color, the glossiness, and a done shrimp. You can see that the white is, and it's kind of nice and firm. Okay. I think this one is done. So the shrimp is done, and it's beautiful just like this. Let's present the salsa. So, yes, you can just present it like this to the table, family style, and let everybody take one and take some salsa on their plate and move on. But let's see, how would I like it? Like it like this, plate, everybody has a plate, and not too much salsa, just kind of a little bit of salsa just like that, and that's it. That looks beautiful plate. You can take it off the skewers. And just like that. But you know what? I can talk all I want, but I need to taste it and tell you. I'm gonna take maybe 2. And a little bit of the salsa verde, just like that. That's all I need. And like that. You can see you have your vegetables, the crunchiness, the acidity. Really, really good. The shrimp is just the right cottura, the right temperature, and you have your vegetables right on the plate with the dressing. You don't need anything else.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.